Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. Today I will show you this interesting mechanism that draws straight lines. This video is sponsored by PCBWay, the best PCB manufacturing service. First order is free and shipping of PCB assembly orders is also free. Join the design contest to win $1,000 cash prize. This is a type of mechanical linkage invented by James Watt, in which the central point of the linkage is constrained to travel on an approximately straight line. It was described in Watt's patent specification for a steam engine in 1784. It is also used in automobile suspensions, allowing the axle of the vehicle to travel vertically while preventing sidewise motion. It is built using these wood sticks, some nuts and bolts, screws and washers, and of course the wooden board. The center of the middle link moves in an egg-shaped figure, and one of the portions is an approximate straight line. As you can see, we have two approximately straight lines, here and here. This is the first part of the movement when the first straight line is drawn, and the second is here. Thanks for visiting my channel. I hope you liked the video and see you in the next one.